Thanks for watching this Ozark Traditions TV episode. Be sure to give us a like and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell to get notifications on what the OTTV crew is up to.
But we know there's been some deer in here, so... Yeah, I'm on him. I think I got him. I think you got him.
Ozark Traditions TV. The Ozarks. A land with a rich heritage of hunting and fishing. Join the Traditions team as they keep those old ways alive. And to the next generation, they'll be passing them down.
Yeah! Alright guys, me and Trenton's out here. It's the last day of the, basically it's Missouri's rifle season. We had a CWD season this year. And this is the last day. We're just sitting on the ground. We got up in here and it's really thick. It's real thick in here, but we know there's been some deer in here, so we're hoping we'll be able to see them walking through here. Got the old 375 cannon, so we shouldn't have any problem with brush. But let's see if we get it done tonight. I'm just looking for some kind of mature buck, not necessarily a trophy. I'm about ready to start waterfowl hunting, so we'll see what happens. Trenton's running the camera, so whatever footage we get's all on him. I'm just gonna shoot the gun. So, we'll see. It might be good. It might not be, I don't know. It's thick in here, so we're gonna be close, probably bow range, I'd say. There's a tree stand in here, but there's only one, so we're just gonna sit on the ground and see what happens. Last day. no great big giant. No, but he's really cool, and obviously, as you guys can tell, he's got a bad leg. Let's go up there and take a look at him while we got light. Yeah, well, let's go check him out real quick. Ground, and we couldn't see, so we stood up, and I'll be danged, here he comes. My brother's had a trail camera up here. Had all kinds of pictures of him. He's got like a big old fork on one side. Look at this thing, guys. We'll look at him on the camera. So this is like an old buck, guys. He's
a 9-pointer.
Yeah. He's
Here, hold him still a second. Oh, he's cool looking.
That entry hole didn't do nothing. Anyways, guys, so I'll tell you a story on it. Trenton texted me a picture about, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, something like that.
And said, hey, my buddy Kyle's got a buck, he's needing shot. He said it's just an old, gnarly, old, nasty buck. And I said, well, you know what?
Last day.
This is the last day, so I think he's freaking awesome.
Oh, he's cool.
I mean, look at that's gotta be. Let's look at his teeth. He's got to be 5.5 years old, I'd say.
Well, we got pictures of him for 2 years.
Well,
so
I want you guys to look at this.
Big old club foot.
He had something bad going on with that, limping around. I'd say that's why he's all
jacked up.
But come get a close up of that. That's
here, hold him still.
That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. He's got
he's just
3 on one side and 6 on the other.
He's just gnarly.
That's weird.
He's a cool deer.
Oh yeah, I'm happy.
I'm glad you got your tag punched on him.
That was a good deer to kill.
Oh.
With the old 375, she never let us down. We just stood up. It was so thick in here.
5 minutes ago.
We couldn't see, and Trenton's like, well, I cannot believe we haven't seen a deer. He's like, let's just stand up here for a little bit. I'm like, all right. And I look over, and here he comes. I was like, there he is.
Get him out of here.
All right, guys. Well, it's been a heck of a year for the Schlipp family, and we ain't done yet. Meg's still got a tag for a muzzleloader, so.
Both my boys still got tags.
So, but Trenton killed a good 10-pointer. Drakey shot an 8-pointer yesterday. Dad killed an 8-pointer. 9-pointer. I guess I killed a 9-pointer.
Yeah, I guess you could call
Me and Trenton both killed some nice bucks.
Those.
Back in the bow season, killed a couple does. We ain't done yet. I got a doe tag for a gun, which it's coming up.
Yep.
We'll probably come out and help, the landowners. I won't say any names, but I guess I already kind of did. But may help them come out, because I know he likes doing a little doe patrol. So, but I want to thank him. You know who you are. I got your old coal buck out here for you, buddy. So you don't have to worry about him.
Yeah, I think we got it all on camera too.
Yeah, there's a cell camera. We'll have to get that to Matt. That'd be cool. All right, guys. Well, once again, I want to thank you for watching Ozark Traditions TV. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you do, and check us out on the Facebook Live.
He's cool looking.
With that being said,
From all of us at Ozark Traditions TV, we thank you for watching. And remember, if you see us out in God's country, stop us. We'd like to meet you.